Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship, I'd like to make a mention on part of the hearing, this item number 13 and 14. And for the respondent, I have some personal difficulties. If this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. I have taken consent of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
No objection.
Is that the same one?
Yes, that
The
pension
person
matters. So, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes. Yes.
I'll oblige, Your Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship, I'd like to make a mention of item number 18. No objection, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
What is this, Dr. Mojika?
My lord, here what happened, my lord. Earlier, the division bench of this honourable court has fixed a time frame for concluding the departmental inquiry, my lord.
Yes.
And we could not conclude within that period. And since the
What's the
time,
period given?
this was 22, my lord. I'll just take a lordship to
22?
my lord.
No. Then that is out of the question.
My lord, the direction was also that respondent will cooperate, my lord. Page 23, my lord.
Yes, if an reprise should respond entitled to punish on a fortnight the employer. On to the further proceedings, we cannot be offering this so. Entire is completed by August 31st, 2022. That is which this is 23rd of March was passed. That means you're not interested in proceeding against him.
Well, we are interested, my lord.
You have to go for division bench again, not here.
So that's what ideally it should be before division bench.
Then why is it here?
My lord, we thought it will be listed before division bench also.
Yes.
Let's do division.
Since the interpretation, as the prayer involves the extension of time granted by the division bench of this court, this is matter before the division bench. Yes.
Item number 2.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
The other day, this matter is
You have complete instructions?
localized.
Yes, Lordship. So, Your Lordship, as of at present, Lordship, the tenure for appointment of the headman is for a period of 3 years. So, as per the resolution, Your Lordship, it has expired yesterday. So, Your Lordship, as of at present now, there is a parallel executive committee within the local Dorbar. So, however, Your Honor, now since the period of headman is over, in accordance as per whatever they have practiced within the. So, Your Honor, for the interest of justice, Your Honor, and in fair play and equity, then I pray that let the election for conduct of appointment of the headman be taken place before the.
No, but that's not a case.
That's not the subject matter.
That's not the subject matter of this.
So, otherwise, Your Honor, there will be another.
See, the things that Mr. Lingdor, you kindly understands that last time the objections on the maintainability of writ petition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But it's not registered entity.
Yes, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, in
So that's the
accordance.
thing. So whether you can maintain writ petition or not. So you said you took time to take instructions whether you pursue this one or you file in a different style and format. That's the only thing.
Well, Your Lordship, in accordance with the Act, Your Lordship, that any a party or any party is concerned can file an appeal before the Council.
Of course, but
Event
then
of removal
when
of the
you take
headman.
writ petition before the High Court, you have to be a registered body. You have to be a legal entity.
Then I pray, Your Lordship, that we'll proceed ahead and let the private respondent file their reply.
Proceed this one.
Yes, Your Honor, because as of now, the Lingdo is
satisfied this court that your writ petition is maintainable.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now this court's of the view that and subject to what you have to say, but then prima facie.
Your Lordship, even in the other matter which I've prayed for to listen, Your Honor, that it has got some connection and bearing on.
It has connection bearing, but then the thing is that we're not saying they don't have a cause of action. We're not saying that that you're not entitled to a remedy. We're not saying that you can't pursue anything, but the way and manner and method which is being done is being hit by technicalities which might derail your entire your.
Yes, Your Lordship.
like say your quest for justice.
Yes, Your Lordship. This Lordship, for the interest of justice, I made a prayer that let the private respondent file their
You would
affidavit.
draw this
it'll be-
and file a fresh one in a proper format. Why you want to be saddled with that?
Lordship, on basis of the documents that I've relied, Your Lordship. So these they have strong bearing also.
No, you
and
can't.
all.
You can't rely on the documents. Who says you can rely on them? But
And Your Lordship, Your Lordship, because during pendency of this matter as well, there has been some disturbances and disturbance to the peace and
understand,
tranquility as well.
naturally.
So even the people now, they have taken to the street to protest. So unless if no relief is granted to me, then
With regard to road,
I beg your
the
pardon.
land,
Pardon, Your Lordship?
with regard to water supply.
No, Your Lordship.
This is electrical lines.
That
Power
land,
lines.
it's the main cause.
What land?
That land, which is connected with the other matter, is the main cause where there's a tower erected there, Your Honor. That is with matter to AP 69 to 70.
The only issue here is
That is the main issue.
The thing is that, see, your petition is maintainable or not, that's the thing.
Your Lordship, my main cause against the District Council as well, Lordship, with regards to maintainability, is the matter of which when they should have decided the
We're
matter.
not entering into the merits right now. You're satisfied the court that your petition is maintainable by the present petitioner, the Suraki Nong Shong Shinong, which is not a registered body, or who are you, where's the form, where's the resolution?
the unregistered body can maintain a petition under 226. It's localized to that. Or not?
Yes.
Your Lordship, the formation was, page says 46. So, 47 is the type copy. This is the main cause and ground of which the petition number 1 was formed.
Fine, why can't a private person also be agree with public notice? Same thing. This is did. Now it's over the headmanship of this present.
Yes.
Who's holding the post right now?
As of now, Your
Acting
Lordship-
is there.
No, Your Lordship, even if the acting may perform, but
who's
there has
holding
been
the
existence
post?
of...
last recognized duly elected headman was whom?
was Mr. K. Kriam. It's in a...
Is he made party here?
No.
Now, when does his term get over? When does his term get over?
Yesterday, Lordship, the term get over. It's
What
for...
was yesterday? He was serving till yesterday.
Yes, no, Mr. K. Kriam was the last headman, and then the present petitioner number 2 was appointed. And then he was removed without any explanation from
Okay,
his
yes,
part.
yes.
And then an acting headman was appointed. And Asanat, Your Lordship, there's a new cause as well that has brought to my knowledge that they have, even the petition number 1 has issued a sanat to the acting
So then you
headman.
file a fresh petition. Even if you can maintain it by the old acting headman, whatever, yeah, what is there?
Lordship, the acting headman was made a party as respondent number 2.
I mean, you are
I'm the petition number 2.
Kadar linked, yeah, Khambor Langs Khamsandi.
Yes.
He was the last headman.
Yes, sir.
of Mangalab, right?
And as of now, a sanat has been issued, Lordship, in the name of the respondent number 2.
Wastalan Kriyam.
Yes.
Then
So
we
if
have,
this survive as well, Lordship, then it will bring...
so what orders how can we pass orders against an order which is before the court for interference?
In short, for removal, this is a clear question of removal. So here in Your Lordship, as per the rule, Your Lordship, that parties
Mr. Lindo,
concerned can.
we can't go ahead unless, this petition number 1 is not an entity.
Yes,
We
Your
have,
Lordship, I understand.
N number of decisions.
But Your Lordship, they have raised grievances regarding the matter involved in the village. So that's matter of concern, Your Lordship, which should...
We understand, but whether the Surg Shinong is
Then I pray,
just,
Your
then,
Honor, on that they may be struck off.
okay, we strike them off then. Petition number 1.
Lordship, then we'll proceed with the
Whether
petition number 2
pleadings are
and...
based on the Surki
Yes.
Nong Shinong.
Yes, Lordship, then I'm making a prayer as well for the Your Lordship to file an accompanying application.
Asking too much.
You better file look, I don't want to advise, we don't want to advise.
Yes,
but
Your Lordship, I
you can
understand.
file a fresh one,
Yes.
clean slate and go ahead. Prepare over the weekend and file it Monday. Otherwise, with this one, you're going to get nowhere. You're just giving them ammunition to shoot you down.
Yes, Your Lordship. Even I'm prepared, Your Lordship.
You prepared to be shot down.
Shoot below the
But I
belt.
need some more time, Lordship, on this issue. Then I'll prize the court more.
We'll start on Tuesday then.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But, yes, you can bring whatever you want on record, but then, anyway, the choice is yours. We are not.
Lordship.
Daily costless
Ali
item number
Raj.
1.
We have the Chando.
My lord, it's fixed for filing of rejoinder, my lord. I'm praying for, my lord, time
close it, no?
till Monday, my lord. I'm filing it by 2 days' time, my lord.
When all is lost, then they send you to ask for time.
My lord.
Yes. Okay, as prayed by Mr. So-and-so. The third, further, 1 week's time granted for gender.
And only that interim
My
order,
lord,
my
the interim
lord,
order may be
is a
extended,
blanket
my lord.
interim order, my lord. Because this policy affects the BSF, CRPF and other forces also.
Okay, file on Monday. This is matter on Tuesday for necessary orders.
My lord,
Yes.
the interim order may be extended, my lord.
Interim order continue till Tuesday.
The interim order could only confine to the petitioners, my lord.
Or Tuesday, make your prayer, we'll take it up. Today is,
My lord.
something's happening here, bit short of
Two?
time, yes.
Well,
My lord, 2
2 and
and
3 are
3
connected.
connected.
Okay.
Contempt of
4.
justice.
Where's Mr. P.T. Sangma?
He's out of station, Lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion in the order, it is reflected that I have already received a notice, Lordship, respondents, but till now they had not entered appearance, Lordship.
Who's the respondent?
Respondent April in Your Honor. Respondent 1 and 2.
Last time MS Koni appeared, no, for them? This Bakmara Municipal Board.
No, my lord. I
Who
appear
appeared?
only for Department of Urban Affairs, my lord. Bagma Municipal
appeared
Board is
for
represented by
Bagma?
Mr. Sujit Day, my lord. Mr. Day. He was engaged.
The last chance, those service has been affected on the response 1 and 2, no appearance made today, sir. As a last opportunity, this is matter for 2 weeks to await appearance.
Oh, Lordship.
Yes.
5.
Your Lordship, I'll require some more time to file my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Why? How many times you played?
This is the 4th time, Your Lordship.
The 4th time?
Your Lordship, we're just waiting for some records, Your Lordship.
Close.
Your Lordship, because we're waiting for records
Yes,
because...
the following rejoinder affidavit.
Second time, Your Lordship.
The second time or 4th time?
Second time, I believe, Your Lordship.
He doesn't know his own case, why are you helping him? Second time? You sure?
Your Lordship, our affidavit was filed in December.
If it's the 4th time, then you will pay heavy cost. You want to file rejoinder.
Third time would be, Your Lordship.
This is the?
Third time.
Okay, final opportunity granted to the petitioner file rejoinder. Just after 2 weeks.
Obliged,
I do
Your
oblige,
Lordship.
Your Lordship.
One more delay, then the meter will start ticking for rejoinder. If you have want to file it.
Item number 6.
You do oblige, Your Lordship.
Affidavit file.
We'll be filing the course of the day, Your
Was very good. Yes, and then submits the affidavit be how to respond final course of the day. Just after 2 weeks for rejoinder, if any.
7.
Worship, I have received instruction that we won't be filing any rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent. Kindly post for final hearing.
Mr. Arang submits that no rejoinder will be filed by the petitioner for this matter for hearing the usual course and so and so.
8.
May it please, Your Lordship.
File.
Your Lordship, the affidavit is being prepared, so I'm praying for some more time, Your Lordship.
Already filed. Already filed. Okay, MSN according 1, 2, 3 for 4 please follow out for the 2 weeks time for affidavits. This is the
Obliged, Your
last
Lordship.
9.
It is a respondent has to file affidavit, my lord.
What are 3, 4, and 5?
We've taken steps, my lord.
Have you obtained status report?
My lord, we have not yet received, my lord. We have write down a letter to the GPO.
Yes.
And from our side, my lord, 2 weeks' time, kindly, my
Why?
lord, for filing of affidavit, my lord. Yet to receive a proper response from the.
Mr. S. Jinder's praise is allowed for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Mr. S. Hassan also submits that next paragraph that the status report with regard to service of notice of respondent 3, 4, and 5 yet to be received. This have to tweet for affidavit by the respondents
1 and
2 and 4 service report on 3, 4, and 5.
Highly obliged.
10.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we're awaiting instructions, so we will require some more time.
Your
Where is
Lordship,
the additional materials?
we'll be filing in the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Additional materials?
Yes, Your Lordship.
MSN Raji submits that the additional material when received will be filed after the course of the day. It's just up to 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Any urgency? You don't know.
11.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So this is a matter of the managing committee.
Yes.
So government has to file a reply to clarify, because
No, I mean, one thing, this school, have you filed affidavit you're appearing for?
Lordship, we have filed a miscase, which is there before my lord today, for impediment. Liberty was granted to us on the last date.
But then I have an objection, because
You are entitled to file your objection. If they have no locus, we'll throw them out.
yes, they have no locus. Lordship, the circular of the government says, because earlier there were so many complaints filed.
No, one thing you do, Mr. Qureshi, what Sri Marwari Panchayat Shillong is what?
It's the sponsoring body, my lord.
Actually, Lordship, they should not suppress the facts. In fact, the Marwari Panchayat, he already had a litigation before the Honorable Court, and the case was decided in favor of the Marwari Panchayat, and that order was challenged before the division bench, and division bench has passed an order saying Marwari Panchayat has got no locus standi to form a committee. So the 2009 judgment.
24
of 2024 and WPC number 5. So this is an application for implement of the applicant petitioner here, namely Sri Marwari Panchayat. Any more? The applicant for implement as party respondent. Mr. M.F. Qureshi appearing for the writ petitioner. For how much time to file?
2 weeks.
1 week.
1 week. 1 week will file it.
File, huh? 1 week enough?
1 week is enough, yes.
To file objection is the matter for orders thereafter. Yes.
Your Lordship, the administration of the school has been taken over, Your Lordship.
By the government. Yes, sir. That order still today, or it's
still today, my lord.
Yes, sir. Interim order in the miscase now. In the main case, what do you want?
The main case, the government has to file a reply.
MS Irangwa prays for 2 weeks time. She further submits that the managing committee or the administration of the school since taken over by the district school education officer. Accordingly, this is matter for 2 weeks. We listed after 2 weeks then.
2 weeks, Lordship. Because there is a circular by the government itself.
In this case, so this after the miscase, 2 weeks. This is what we for affidavit. Interim order shall continue next date here.
Item number 12.
If you have no locus, if that's true what he's saying.
Yes, 2009, the judgment of division bench.
Obliged.
But with regard to this Limecraft school or
the Keating Road school?
Keating Road. This is Keating Road school. What about Limecraft one? There was litigation.
There's no litigation now. No more litigation.
All on egos. What do you say, Mr.
I cannot comment on that, but we are well vested with locus, my lord.
We'll start making observations and
Because,
line them all up here. Start doing social work, real social work. Because they're all the what do you call it? The section of people that can really do good.
True, man. True.
And they drawing knives and cloak and dagger business.
True, man. They have been doing good in part, but unfortunately, litigation is a part and parcel of their work also.
But in this is
part and parcel of their work.
It's an unfortunate fact of their work, my lord.
But in this school, after every 3 years, whenever the committee goes,
litigation is part of their work.
Part of the work.
Part of their toil.
It's an offshoot, my lord.
Yes.
Obliged.
Yes. Yes.
This is a transfer matter, my lord. Today is for consideration of interim prayer.
Just recently, Lordship, just 4 days ago on the 12th, the respondent number 4, respondent number 5, had issued one letter, forcefully asked me to receive the letter of a movement order to go and join to that place of posting. So I had no other option but to accept that. So, and that also under
duress, under protest.
Yes. So now, my case is very much genuine, and the procedure followed by the respondent number 5.
Asking for limited stay, otherwise, no?
Stay is very limited. Only medical ground, which has been
But
confirmed by the
LLB
respondent.
and he wants to stay to complete his LLB till the month of June.
We'll do one thing. We'll let him status quo movement. You file an affidavit.
In fact, a complete stay will help me.
Let's see your prayer for stay.
This apologies. In my
Because
case,
that will create some problem.
so there's a threat of a stoppage of pay. Now that threat, which is given by the respondent number 5, is not as per the records of instruction, not as per the policy, the transfer policy.
Yes, this matter is posted today for hearing on the interim prayer, and respondents were directed to seek instructions. You have any instructions?
Not my instruction, I have none.
Let's see.
It's a routine transfer only.
What to do? You till June?
June. I'll complete my studies in the month of June. And also I'll make arrangement for my parents' treatment elsewhere also. By that time. That is all I'm asking. This case, Lordship, I'm asking for the steady operation, the posting order 23rd August. This is an order which was subsequently modified. This is the recent one, 23rd. Now there's another letter which is issued on the 12th, just 4 days ago, asking me to move. So that also, that particular letter also needs to be.
But you haven't brought in record by affidavit, have you?
Yeah, because I just received it. I just.
Just now?
No, I mean, I just came to know on the 12th, so I wouldn't have. But I have a copy. I can show you.
Well, now we're sitting on the 16th. You should have filed it. You file it by affidavit. We'll take it up on Monday. Let them file it.
Then till such time, this case, some kind of a protection may be given.
Yes, Dr. M. Musika to produce some instructions, submitting that the same routine transfer, and that no interim orders are called for by this court. Stop. However, Mr. S. Marpan, Marpan, sorry. No, S. Marpan, Dr. Counsel submits that the petitioner has just been served with a fresh order dated.
Order dated 12 February 2024.
Which he seeks to place before this court by affidavit. He further submits that the petitioner seeks me a limited relief in as much as he is to complete his LLB studies, which were allowed by the authorities, which was complete the LLB studies and to make arrangements for parents' treatment. He further submits that the limited stay of the transfer order is only paid till June 2024. So this is a matter on Monday for consideration, for final consideration of the prayer for the interim prayer. In the meantime, the status quo of the petition, status quo of the movement shall be maintained. Can you file affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hearing 15.
Fake domicile.
Mal.
Ready, Dr. Mojika?
Well,
We'll take it because this court is rising at.
Well, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is a matter, my lord, respect of regular pay scale, my lord. But Lordship.
Short matter or long matter?
It's a short matter, my lord.
Where's Mr. Karmaplang? He's not? We can see that he's not available.
Lordship, actually, I'm relying on one document which I have not placed on record, my lord.
Why?
If I may be allowed to, because I got this at
What
the later
document
stage, my
is
lord. This is a circular, my lord, wherein it says that the continuous service of ad hoc.
This one.
Lordship, type copy is also there, my lord, at the back.
Okay.
It says that the continuous service of ad hoc also will be calculated for pension, increment.
Depends on case to case.
No, but it was on ad hoc
This is
basis, my
old
lord.
notification 78 or 82.
Lordship.
No? The other one 82, 83.
Lordship.
Oh, yeah, 83 years.
Yes, Lord. This also it says so, my lord.
Okay, on the prayer of the council party, you want to give, no need for affidavit, you can just
Rely, my lord.
rely on
Lordship. If Lordship allows.
Ms. AG Movement submits, he has come across 2 notifications which have a bearing on the case
Lordship.
of the year 70,
No.
9 and 83.
Lordship.
Correct. He begs to place a lines on the same.
78, my lord. 78 and
78 and 83.
83, my lord.
As Mr. K. Karmaplang is absent, this is a matter up to 1 week.
Yes, Lordship. Hello, Lord.
17.
John 17. Where's Mr. Nompier?
I didn't see him today.
Didn't see him today. Dismissed for default.
Hindu?
Yes. No. Yes, none appears on behalf of the petitioner. This is after 2 weeks, yes. Time would sign.